Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to allow plugins in ChatGPT. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store. The first thing you need to do is go to the App Store and then in the search bar you have to type ChatGPT. To make sure that your ChatGPT app is updated to the latest version, as you can see our ChatGPT app is updated to the latest version. So simply what you need to do is simply tap on open. Once the ChatGPT opens, this interface will appear. Now here what you need to do is simply tap on the two white lines in the top left corner of the screen. Here once you tap on it, you need to tap on the settings icon in the bottom middle. Simply tap on it and here you can see plugins. You can simply tap on it and then tap on browse plugins, and here you can browse plugins according to your choice. So you can choose a different plugins from here as you wish. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.